The secret to well-fitted handmade socks is starting with accurate foot measurements. There are 2 key measurements to take, and for both the foot must be bare and the measurements taken while standing up on a hard floor so that the body weight is reflected in those measurements. The first is the length of foot. Start by securing a piece of paper on a hard floor and against a wall. This creates a helpful backstop for the heel to move back to that matches the edge of the paper. Then place your heel against the wall and parallel to the long edge of the paper. Use a pen or pencil to mark the longest toe on the foot, and this may not be your big toe. Using a ruler, measure from the edge of the paper where the back of the heel was to the marker. If you have one foot larger than the other, I suggest using the measurement of the smaller foot. It's better to have a small amount of negative eaves on one foot than an excess of fabric. The second essential measurement for perfect fitting socks is foot circumference at the widest part. Using a soft measuring tape, place it on the floor. Stand on the measuring tape, making sure the widest part of your foot is across the tape. This is usually the ball of your foot. Measure all the way around the widest part of the foot to get the circumference. Top tip for you, write down both the foot length and foot circumference measurements in a useful place like a diary. I keep a list of measurements for all the people I knit and crochet socks for so that I can quickly reference it when I need it. Hit the subscribe button for more knit and crochet content from me at Fay DH Designs.